You're just like, you're losing control. Everything is hard for you right now. Just feel it. There's just so much aggression and you don't know what to do with it. It's building inside of you. You have so much anger. Kick your chin towards the camera a little bit. We are getting ready to do a shoot today. It's going to be an all purple set with a purple ladder in the center of it. But yeah, we're about to get started, so we'll see how this all goes. Here are all of our set pieces. We're gonna get started assembling and putting everything together. Just pick it up and like carry it over. He did it by himself. Wow, that was impressive, David. We have most of the walls constructed. The tricky part about this one is the ladder, because this is a very structural set. Surprisingly, the ladder install was much easier than expected. David added lots of extra screws to ensure it was very secure. Once we had the ladder in place, we added in the jacks for extra support and installed the back wall. The back wall was a focal point of the set. We incorporated in corrugated plastic strips to act as a major light source during the shoot. We lit the corrugated plastic from behind using strip boxes without any diffusion to blast in as much light as possible. We only rented the studio for 2 hours, so we had to set everything up in hyperspeed. It took us 20 minutes to construct the set and 20 minutes to light. We rented the Canon 5DSR to use during the shoot because it has a larger sensor than the 5D Mark IV we usually shoot with, and we wanted to compare the image quality. Okay, the set is built. Everything came together really nicely. We were able to get all the pieces set up in 20 minutes, and then David is over here lighting everything. But the set is about ready, just waiting for our model to get here. But I think this is gonna be a really cool conceptual shoot. It's gonna be really physical, but I'm very excited to see what we can make. Okay guys, this is Julia. She is our model for today's shoot. She did one other one with us a few months ago, but today is going to be really intense. Are you ready for it? Yes. We dove right in and began experimenting with some very physical poses. Julia climbed and hung from the ladder and brought some big energy. Love that, and let that tension just like really feel it, extend it, and can you reach across with your right hand up to the next one? Yeah. Hold on with one hand and try to like reach your other hand towards the ceiling, but like you're not able to do it, it's just a little bit short. Bend your arm just a little bit. Oh, this is really a struggle. Great. Hold that. And really engage your left arm so you feel those muscles flexing. Ooh, look at you go. Amazing, amazing. Oh, it's so good, Julia. Oh my gosh. Okay, now be reaching towards the ceiling, but like you can't get it. Just flex those fingers, feel that energy, and then there you go. This is just amazing. Like I didn't know I had this inside of me. Feel it, yep, that's so good. Love that energy right there. Quiet your hair, like pulling on it, you're so irritated. You're just like, you're losing control. Everything is hard for you right now. Just feel it, there's just so much aggression and you don't know what to do with it. It's building inside of you. You have so much anger. Kick your chin towards the camera a little bit. Like, oh, this is all just way too much. You're losing your shit. There you go. Oh, I love that. That's awesome. This shoot was intense. It required a ton of physical strength, and Julia rocked it.
So we only rented this little space for 2 hours, and we have 20 minutes left, so now we have to take it down. Yeah.
The set came down even faster than it went up. Then it was time for editing. During editing, I focus on the color corrects, and David focuses on retouching. The images from the Canon 5DSR are definitely larger and packed full of more detail than the images from the Mark IV.
It's definitely a slower camera, which may not work for everyone, but the image quality is fantastic. Thanks for watching our Purple Ladder photo shoot. Like and subscribe for more wild set builds and photo shoots.